Hey lovely people, I hope you all are doing well. So to start off, I'm going to be mixing some avocado, some oil, conditioner, and honey in a large bowl. I will leave the exact ingredients down below. Once I mix everything up together, this is how the conditioner looks. Alright y'all, so I just finished mixing up that deep conditioner that I showed y'all. And before I go ahead and apply the conditioner, I actually wanted to show y'all what I use on my hair prior to applying my conditioner. Please excuse the fact that I got this grocery bag on my head. I got it on my head because, like I said, I just washed my hair out and I don't want my hair to dry or lose any moisture because I need all the moisture I can get when it comes to detangling my hair. So it just makes it easier for me to detangle. So for my pre-poo, I use Moisture Miracle by African Pride. It is the aloe and coconut water detangle and condition pre-shampoo. And this is what I use on my hair. I've had this product for about 2 months now, so I need to go ahead and give you guys a review of it. I've used already about half of the jar, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be uploading a video on this pretty soon on like how to pre-poo, what is a pre-poo, and basically giving you guys a demo of me using this specific pre-poo. For my shampoo, I use the As I Am Restore and Repair. This is their Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and this is the shampoo that I use. I love this shampoo so much. I've been using it for about 2 years now, so I normally change my shampoos a lot, but this one I've had for a while. So those are just the 2 products that I use on my natural hair before I condition it. So like I said, y'all, I'm just starting off on freshly washed hair, and here I was just removing the plastic bag, and I wash my hair in twists, as you guys may already know or don't know. And I also wash my hair in sections. I always do this. I always wash in twists and I always wash in sections because it makes it easier for my hair to stay stretched and to keep it from getting tangled and all of that good stuff. If you have type 4 hair or very thick hair, this is something that's very good to do because it just helps to keep the hair from tangling up tremendously. So I just work in small sections and I apply the conditioner, and y'all, when I applied it, it felt so smooth. Like the conditioner was very, very smooth and creamy, and I'm just showing you guys me applying it. I make sure I apply all the way from the root into the ends, and I am pretty generous with my conditioner because I have high porosity hair and my hair is very thick on top of that, so I just use a lot of product. Okay y'all, so as y'all can see, I finished up the back and now I'm on the front section. And once I apply the conditioner, I comb my hair, detangle it with the wide tooth comb, working my way up from the ends to the roots. And my roots are always the biggest problem for me, as I get a lot of new growth and then shed hair mixed together. It just creates tangles. Like when the shed hair and the new growth gets together, it creates tangles. So sometimes I have to work through the knots, as you see me doing here, just like individually pulling each strand of hair out of the knot. Like I have to do that sometimes in order to detangle my hair. Sometimes the comb doesn't work. Sometimes I just have to really go in there with my hands and like detangle it myself with my hands.
So once my hair is fully coated with the deep conditioner and detangled, I will go ahead and just twist my hair up. I do this for all of my sections until I'm done. I just twist it right back up. I don't leave my hair out. I barely have my hair out in its natural state, y'all, because I will get so much tangles and my hair will get matted and stuck together. So I just twist it right back up. Y'all, I thought I was done. I was getting so happy, then boom, a whole nother section. Okay, so now she's done. The hair felt very soft. This is my hair with all the conditioner in it. As y'all can see, my hair looks very soft. It looks light and fluffy. I didn't get to show y'all how it looked once I washed it out because I didn't wash it out until like 3 days later. Lazy natural. But this is how my hair looked with the conditioner. But I can tell y'all my hair felt extremely soft after I used it, and it was very moisturized, and I attribute that to the avocado because avocado is high in like natural fats and stuff like that, so it helps keep the hair moisturized. And then the honey is a natural humectant, and then on top of that, the conditioner I use on my hair, it already moisturizes my hair a lot. So this was a pretty moisture rich or moisture intense deep conditioner. So if you want to try it for moisture purposes, give it a try because it will definitely moisturize your hair. Hope you guys